Watch me as I risk it with the new hair dye called Nisha hair color. The shade is cream hair color, flame red. So we start with the developer. Yep, that's the developer. Pour it in a bowl. I hear it stains. I hope it doesn't stain my bowl, but if it does, we'll just be using this bowl for the same purpose. So we put in the colorants, Nisha hair colorants. There you go. Whoa, it's so red. There we go. I'm avoiding it to touch it with my hands. I think I'll have to wear gloves before I squeeze it all. So I also want to protect my hairline so that it doesn't get colored. I'm using the pseudo cream to do that. I don't want my hairline becoming all red. Sorry, it doesn't look very nice. But it's a safe cream to use. It's very good even for diaper rash. You can even use it as a sunscreen when you go to the coast because it gives very high protection on the skin and it won't damage your skin unless you have really sensitive skin. I believe it doesn't. My son has eczema and sometimes it flares up, especially on the diaper area, and we use this to curb that. And being a child with very sensitive skin, the fact that it doesn't react with him, that's why I trust this cream even for my skin. I also have very sensitive skin, or acne prone skin, so I don't experiment with anything on my face. So now that we have done that, I can put on the gloves so that we keep doing this. There you go. And you squeeze this fully. There you go. You're advised to use a brush to mix. This is the two components, but I don't have a brush, so I'm going to use this fork. It's a plastic fork. I hope it does the good job. And let's see. Seems a bit hard, but I think it will work. There you go. I think it mixes really easily. You actually, even without a brush, you can do it. And from the reviews on Amazon, I've seen it's really dark, it's really red, and also for those with black hair, it's recommended or advised to bleach the hair first if you really want the red to pop out. But my hair is already dyed, so I figured I don't really need to bleach. Let's see how it turns out. I've been using Cream of Nature, but I don't seem to be getting the color that I want, so I decided to risk with this one. Let's see how it goes. I think it's all mixed. There you go. A little pungent, the smell, but not so bad. Oh, but when you go close, of course. So I think now we can apply. You're advised to apply and let it stay for 30 minutes. So let's apply and see how it goes. I'm really risking because I'm in the corporate world and colors are not a thing in the corporate world, especially here in Kenya and Africa. Wow. The other thing I've seen on review is that this color runs for a while, so it means I have to use a bonnet so that it doesn't stain the pillows. And because I don't wash my hair every day, I think that will work. I think for people who wash their hair every day might be different, because if you wash your hair and you're going to bed, it definitely, the wetness will have color. I hope it will be enough. I have let my hair grow for a while. I've not shaved in like 4 months. But let's color and see. I really love the color already. I hope this is the shade I'll get. This is the final shade I'll get. Seems enough though. Ooh, I love it. I don't know, I can't see my back, but I hope I've covered everywhere. Especially the growth that was already black. Wow, I think it's not meant to go to the skin because it stings a little. So be careful, especially for those with very sensitive skin, eczema prone, psoriasis. Probably this is not a good product for you. My hair has a lot of growth. I need to go for a shave. But I've been enjoying this length though. I'm a DIY kind of girl. In this economy, going to the salon to do this for 5,000 Kenya shillings is not logical for me. I hope my blackness gets covered. The only thing I'm worried about is covering the black growth, because my hair had has really grown over the last few months. So personally, I always dye my hair from the house. It's too expensive to do it in the salons in Kenya, especially if you want good service. They charge an arm and a leg, my friend. And those who are in Kenya know Kanairo ni kubaya. Kitu tuna afford ni bundles za kucomplain kwa internet. Ama aje wadau? Is vipi? But not to say that you can't go to the salon if you have this service. It's a lot. I understand why they charge so much, especially for girls and ladies with long hair and some hair which are a bit tough. My hair is quite soft. It always obeys most of the things, like the curls. I don't have to use gel, although sometimes I do, but most times I don't. So depends with the needs of your hair. So sometimes you might need a bit of a professional touch, especially if you're not a DIY kind of girl. Not everyone is. It's not for everyone. Some people swear they can never touch their hair. But for natural hair girls, you know, hii maneno tumezoea. Sisi ni wale wase. We'll let it, I think I'm good. We cannot stay for the 30 minutes. We'll come back and see. I might not be able to show you the washing. I'll just come back with the results and show you how it turns out. Wish me luck. I hear even the washing I'll need the gloves. Otherwise, my hands will be red for a week. So send to my door, kungoja matokeo. So here we are back with the back. That's how my hair looks, and I love it. Now, the disadvantage of doing it yourself, some parts are left and you may not realize until you wash off the hair. Even at the back, I have small parts that didn't get color, but I can do with that. I can also reapply at a later date, but my honest review is that I love this dye. Let me see how it goes for the next 1 month. I see about the running, how it comes off. And then I guess I have now a color that is very affordable. I guess this sachet, I bought it at Carrefour at around 200 and something. Yeah, it was less than 300 shillings. I have been using Cream of Nature and it was quite an amount. I think it was between 900 and 1200 depending on where you're buying. So I think this is a good dye. The outcome, I love it. I love the color. It's popping, it's shiny. I just love it generally. So I think I'll use it a few more times and see if I can stick to it. So good job, Nisha Hair Color. I love it. So I'm going to apply some oil on my hair. Not sure if I will gel it. I think I can leave it like that after the oil, and then we are going to see. This is some herbal oil. I also added a good amount of olive oil because the herbal oil was running out. So I just apply on top. I would have loved to apply on the scalp, but I have little grace to go that route. I think I'll do that tomorrow. But for now, we just oil make sure you always oil your natural hair when it is wet or damp, so that you lock in the moisture. My hair is also shedding. I think I need to treat it next time. I think after a month I'll get a good hair treatment, protein treatment. Although I don't mind it that much, not like when I used to have long hair. A little cutting will make me feel so bad. Nowadays, even if I feel it's shedding, it doesn't bother me, because after all, I want short hair. Let's see if after I take a shower I can apply some gel. So overall, I love it. That's it for today. I think we'll come back here and I'll show you how it is doing after like 2 to 3 weeks.